Hello friend, this is a very short tutorial about coin falling animation. So let's start this tutorial. Press Shift A under image, select a cylinder. Now press S, then Z to scale on Z axis. Press G, then Z and move little bit on Z axis like this. Also press R, then Y to rotate on Y axis little bit like this. Press Shift A under image, select a plane. Now press S to scale and this is for floor. Now select this plane, then click on this physics properties, then click on this rigid body and under this tab change active into passive. Now select this cylinder, then click on this rigid body and under this collision, under this shape, change shape into cylinder. Now press space bar and you can see that there is no animation like coin falling. So what we have to do, first select this plane and under this surface response increase this bounciness value. Now press space bar, still there is no animation like coin falling. Now select this cylinder under this surface response, increase this bounciness value, something like this. Now press space bar and you have this type of animation. You can experiment with this mass value, something like zero point 0.4, and you can also experiment with this dynamic value. So expand this dynamic option and under this damping translation change its value, that is zero point 0.1. Now press space bar. Now you have more natural animation like this. Before rendering this animation, click on this scene properties, expand this rigid body world and under this cache option you have to click on this break all dynamic. Thanks for watching this video. Leave your comments and subscribe this channel.